Cables and wire rope slings are crucial components in numerous industries, serving a wide array of functions from electrical power transmission to heavy lifting. Understanding how these materials are manufactured sheds light on the complex processes involved in ensuring their quality, durability, and safety. This article delves into the step-by-step production of cables, wire rope slings, and the innovations that continue to shape their development. What might appear to be art at first glance are actually cross-sections of various types of wire rope constructions. These detailed cross-sections illustrate the complexity of how a rope is made, which we'll now explain step by step. Wire ropes are constructed from multiple individual wires, varying in thickness and delivered in coils. Before these wires are used, each one undergoes a rigorous strength test to ensure the rope will have the necessary load-bearing capacity. Once the wires pass these tests, they are mounted on spools, as a rope is made up of numerous wires requiring several spools to complete the process. The wires are then fed into a stranding machine, where they are pulled through the Versailles head from what is called the stranding basket, a part of the machine designed for this purpose. To ensure the rope is well protected and durable, it is coated with grease as it's being formed. At this point, the first strand of the rope is created. The rope itself comes together through the synchronized process of pulling the strand and rotating the stranding basket. The strands are then drawn out of the machine using a pull-off wheel. To form a complete rope, several of these strands are twisted together and passed through the winding head, producing a fully stranded wire rope. Quality control is essential at every stage, especially regarding the diameter of the rope, which is checked regularly using either manual methods or laser measuring devices. In the final phase, known as the salt herring test, the machine ensures that all safety standards are met. Once the rope is complete, it is wound onto a massive bobbin, some as tall as 5 meters, for transportation. These bobbins, which can weigh up to 150 tons, are loaded onto trucks using specialized cranes and are then safely transported to customers, often with an escort. Holloway has been a leader in the wire rope sling industry for more than 5 decades, providing a wide range of products that cater to diverse applications such as lifting, towing, hoisting, and anchoring. These wire rope slings are constructed from high-quality wire rope, ensuring that they can handle the rigors of regular use. Depending on the specific task, these slings come in various configurations, including single leg, double leg, and basket hitches. They can also be customized to meet particular requirements, such as load capacity or working load limits, which makes them extremely versatile for various industrial uses. The safety features of wire rope slings are particularly noteworthy. Engineered to bear heavy loads, these slings play a critical role in securing safe and efficient lifting operations. Whether it's lifting colossal steel beams or transporting heavy-duty machinery, wire rope slings ensure that the job is completed safely and effectively. Their versatility is another distinct advantage. They are available in a wide range of sizes, styles, and materials, making it easy to find the perfect fit for any specific application. Additionally, the durability of these slings ensures that they will last even when subjected to tough, demanding conditions. Wire rope slings offer numerous advantages beyond just their safety and versatility. They are incredibly durable, designed to withstand wear and tear from frequent use in challenging environments. This durability translates into a long lifespan, which is especially beneficial for industries that rely on equipment capable of enduring extreme stress. Furthermore, from a financial standpoint, wire rope slings offer excellent cost-effectiveness. Their longevity and ability to withstand heavy use mean that businesses can rely on them for an extended period, reducing the need for frequent replacements and lowering overall operational costs. In terms of their applications, wire rope slings are used across a wide range of industries. In construction, they are invaluable for lifting and moving heavy materials like concrete, steel, and other building supplies. In the logistics sector, wire rope slings play an essential role in transporting goods, including machinery, equipment, and even furniture. Their robust nature ensures that these items are moved securely and efficiently. Wire rope slings are also used in rigging operations within the entertainment and construction industries, where they are essential for tasks like setting up stages, suspending lights, or erecting scaffolding. Their adaptability makes them indispensable in scenarios that demand precision and safety in lifting and moving heavy loads. However, with great power comes the need for stringent safety measures. When using wire rope slings, adhering to proper safety protocols is of utmost importance. These include conducting regular inspections before each use to ensure that the slings are in good condition and free from any defects or damage that could compromise their strength and functionality. It is also essential to select the correct sling size and type for the job at hand and use the appropriate attachment methods. Overloading the sling or using it in adverse conditions, such as in wet or corrosive environments, is a strict no-go. Staying within the sling's designated load capacity and ensuring that all personnel involved are adequately trained are critical steps to maintaining both safety and efficiency during lifting operations. An expert in the specialized craft of wire rope splicing, Tri-State Wire Rope has established itself as a top player in this field, particularly in the western United States. Based in Salt Lake City, Tri-State Wire Rope focuses on providing high-quality splicing services, a process that involves joining two lengths of wire rope or forming an eye at one end of the rope. Splicing is a crucial technique because it allows the rope to maintain or even enhance its original strength. This process requires a meticulous approach to ensure that the fibers and strands of the rope are interwoven properly, resulting in a joint that is often stronger than other traditional methods like using clips or thimbles. Wire rope splicing is both an art and a science. The process begins by unraveling the strands of the wire rope, a task that requires careful precision. These strands are then rewoven either into another section of rope or back into themselves to create a strong connection. There are different types of splices, the most common of which are the long splice and the short splice. The long splice allows the rope to maintain its original diameter, which is essential when the rope needs to pass through pulleys or sheaves without obstruction. On the other hand, the short splice increases the rope's diameter slightly but provides a stronger connection, making it ideal for applications where maximum strength is required. Splicing requires an in-depth understanding of the rope's construction, including the type of core, fiber or steel, the number of strands, and how the strands are laid. Each of these factors affects the splicing technique that must be used to ensure the rope's integrity is maintained throughout the process. The tension, twist, and lay of the strands must be kept consistent to avoid weakening the connection. Only skilled and experienced riggers can execute these techniques properly to ensure that the splice retains the rope's original strength, if not enhances it. One of the most significant advantages of wire rope splicing is its ability to retain nearly 100% of the rope's original strength. This is especially important in industries such as construction, marine, and mining, where a strong, reliable connection can be a matter of life and death. A well-executed splice also ensures that the load is distributed evenly across the rope, which helps reduce wear and tear, ultimately extending the rope's lifespan. However, splicing is not without its challenges. The process can be time-consuming and requires specialized tools and equipment. Any mistake in the splicing process could compromise the rope's strength, making it vital to perform regular inspections to detect any potential issues or weaknesses in the splice. Tri-State Wire Rope is particularly renowned for its expertise in splicing wire rope with a diameter of 1.5 inches, which is commonly used in heavy-duty applications. The strength and durability of this specific diameter of wire rope make it essential to ensure that the splice is both seamless and robust. Any failure in the splice could lead to catastrophic consequences, endangering both equipment and personnel. Tri-State Wire Rope's team of experienced professionals has demonstrated their proficiency time and time again, ensuring that every splice meets or exceeds industry standards. In addition to splicing, wire rope slings must undergo rigorous inspection and testing procedures to ensure their safety and optimal performance. There are three primary types of inspections for wire rope slings: visual inspection, functional testing, and load testing. The visual inspection is the first line of defense and involves checking the sling for any obvious signs of damage, such as broken wires, corrosion, or kinks. This inspection should be conducted before every use to ensure that the sling is in good condition. Functional testing, on the other hand, involves loading the sling to its specified capacity and monitoring its performance to detect any signs of potential failure. Load testing is the most rigorous of the three inspections and involves loading the sling to its rated capacity plus an additional 25% to check for any signs of malfunction. The frequency of these inspections is also critical. According to ASME B30.9 guidelines, every use of a wire rope sling should be preceded by a visual inspection, while functional tests should be conducted annually. Load tests, which are more intensive, are recommended every 5 years. During these tests, if any anomalies or signs of wear are detected, the sling should be immediately decommissioned to prevent any potential accidents or failures during use. Holloway Houston, a leading name in the industry, is known for its commitment to these rigorous testing standards. Their state-of-the-art testing facilities are capable of handling loads of up to 10,000 tons, underscoring their dedication to safety and quality. The SOM Splice 40,000 kN hydraulic swagger is a powerful tool used in the wire rope industry for swagging, which is the process of permanently deforming a metal fitting onto a wire rope. With a staggering capacity of 40,000 kN, this hydraulic swagger is capable of handling heavy-duty applications, making it suitable for large wire ropes used in industries such as construction, marine, and mining. The swagger's hydraulic system ensures that the fitting is securely attached, providing a strong and reliable connection that can withstand significant loads. Its user-friendly design allows for quick setup and operation, minimizing downtime during production. Additionally, the SOM Splice hydraulic swagger is built with safety features that protect operators while maintaining high productivity levels. By integrating advanced technology and robust engineering, this machine plays a crucial role in ensuring the integrity and performance of wire rope assemblies in various applications. The SOM Splice wire rope annealing and tapering machine is an essential piece of equipment designed for the specialized processing of wire ropes. This machine facilitates the annealing and tapering of wire rope ends, which is crucial for enhancing the performance and durability of the ropes in demanding applications. The annealing process involves heating the wire rope to relieve internal stresses, thus improving its flexibility and overall strength. Simultaneously, the tapering function allows for a gradual reduction in the diameter of the rope ends, ensuring a smooth transition for splicing or attaching fittings. The SOM Splice machine is engineered for precision, featuring advanced temperature control and automated processes that ensure consistent results. With a focus on efficiency and reliability, this machine significantly reduces production times and enhances the quality of the finished wire ropes, making it a vital asset in any wire rope manufacturing facility. In the heart of a bustling industrial site, a highly skilled construction crew is preparing to perform a critical operation, the installation of a control valve on a live pipeline using the hot tapping method. This advanced procedure is crucial in industries such as oil, gas, chemical processing, and water management, where downtime can lead to significant financial losses and operational disruptions. The team's expertise and precision will ensure the valve is installed seamlessly without interrupting the flow of product through the pipeline. The site is humming with activity. Workers, dressed in full safety gear, are carefully positioning their equipment around the massive steel pipeline, which continues to carry high-pressure fluid to various parts of the facility. At first glance, it seems like just another day at the job, but the complex task ahead requires a blend of technical knowledge, hands-on experience, and adherence to strict safety protocols. This is no ordinary valve installation. This is hot tapping, and the crew is about to perform a delicate, high-stakes operation. Before any physical work begins, the team conducts a thorough inspection and risk assessment of the site. Every aspect of the job is planned meticulously to avoid potential hazards. Hot tapping allows the team to drill into a live pipeline, meaning the pipe remains under pressure throughout the process. There's no margin for error here. Any mistake could lead to leaks, spills, or even catastrophic failure. The safety of the workers and the integrity of the pipeline are paramount. The crew, composed of seasoned professionals, is led by a project manager with decades of experience in live line drilling operations. He gathers the team for a briefing, outlining every step of the procedure. "Today, we're installing a control valve on this main pipeline," he says, pointing to a detailed schematic on his tablet. "Remember, precision is key. We'll be working with high-pressure fluid, and we can't afford any mistakes. The first step in the process is to set up the tapping machine. The tapping machine, equipped with a powerful drill, will be mounted onto the pipeline at the exact point where the valve needs to be installed. But before that, a hot tap fitting, a specialized connection, needs to be welded to the pipe. This fitting serves as the interface between the pipeline and the tapping machine. The welders step in, carefully aligning the fitting against the pipe. Using their torches, they meticulously weld the fitting into place, ensuring a perfect seal. The welds must be flawless, as any imperfections could compromise the operation. Once the fitting is secure, the welds are inspected thoroughly for any signs of weakness. The team cannot proceed until every test shows that the fitting is secure and airtight. Next, the tapping machine is mounted onto the fitting. The machine is a robust piece of equipment designed to drill through the pipe wall while keeping the pipeline pressurized. It's engineered to handle the high-pressure fluid inside, ensuring that no product escapes during the drilling process. The machine is secured tightly to the fitting, and the crew double-checks every connection, making sure all components are in perfect working order. Once everything is in place, the team begins the drilling operation. The operator carefully controls the drill's descent into the pipeline. This is where the crew's experience truly shines. Drilling into a live pipeline requires a steady hand and an acute awareness of the machine's feedback. Any sudden changes in pressure or resistance could signal a problem. But the operator is calm, guiding the drill with precision as it cuts through the pipe wall. As the drill penetrates the pipe, there's a slight increase in pressure. The team monitors the situation closely, watching gauges and listening for any unusual sounds. But everything is going according to plan. The drill continues to cut through the steel pipe, and after a few moments, it breaks through the other side, creating a perfect circular opening. With the hole successfully drilled, the operator retracts the drill bit, and the valve installation process begins. A new section of piping, fitted with a control valve, is prepared for insertion into the pipeline. This valve will allow the facility to regulate the flow of product through the pipeline without having to shut down the entire system. It's a critical component for optimizing efficiency and maintaining operational flexibility. The crew works methodically to install the valve assembly. The new section of pipe is carefully lowered into place through the tapping machine, and the valve is positioned precisely where it's needed. The team secures the valve with bolts and checks the alignment one final time. It's crucial that the valve seats perfectly to prevent any leaks or pressure drops. Once the valve is in place, the team performs a series of pressure tests to ensure the installation is sound. The pressure inside the pipeline is temporarily increased to simulate real operating conditions, and the valve is monitored closely for any signs of leakage or malfunction. After a thorough inspection, the tests confirm that the valve is functioning perfectly. With the control valve successfully installed, the team begins the process of removing the tapping machine and restoring the pipeline to its original state. The tapping machine is carefully disassembled, and a flange is installed over the hot tap fitting to seal the opening permanently. This ensures that the pipeline remains airtight and leak-free. As the crew packs up their equipment, the project manager reflects on the success of the operation. "We completed the job without interrupting the flow of product, and the new valve will give the facility much more control over its processes," he says, clearly proud of his team's work. Hot tapping is a challenging method, but with the right planning, the right equipment, and a skilled team, it's one of the most efficient ways to make modifications to live pipelines. The newly installed control valve will allow the facility to adjust the flow of product as needed, providing greater operational flexibility. Whether increasing production during peak hours or throttling down during maintenance, the valve gives the operators much more control over their processes. And thanks to the expertise of the construction crew, this crucial piece of infrastructure was installed without any disruption to the facility's operations. Hot tapping may be a complex and high-stakes procedure, but for this team of professionals, it's just another day on the job. Their dedication to safety, precision, and efficiency ensures that even the most challenging projects are completed smoothly and successfully. In an industry where downtime can cost millions of dollars, their expertise in live line drilling is invaluable, helping facilities maintain continuous operation while still making critical upgrades and modifications. The fabricating a 3-inch wire rope sling, Halo, is an intricate process that emphasizes precision and expertise in the wire rope industry. The fabrication process also incorporates advanced techniques, such as the use of hydraulic swagers or specialized tools to ensure the fittings are attached securely. The Halo system used in this process is designed to enhance the sling's performance by evenly distributing the load and reducing stress points. After assembly, each sling undergoes rigorous testing to verify its load-bearing capacity and overall integrity, ensuring it meets industry safety standards. This meticulous attention to detail not only guarantees the durability of the sling but also provides peace of mind for operators who rely on this essential lifting equipment in their daily operations. By adhering to stringent quality control measures throughout the fabrication process, the Halo system delivers a high-performance wire rope sling that meets the demands of the most challenging lifting tasks.